Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this natural makeup look in under 12 minutes. This is perfect if you're in a rush or if you just want to freshen up. Next, I'm going to be moisturizing my face with Clinique Custom Repair Moisturizer. I'm going to apply a few drops on my cheeks, my nose, my chin, and my forehead. And make sure to rub it on your eyes as well and under your eyes. Next, I'm going to be using Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. And then I'm going to be applying the cream under and around my eyes. My eyes were a little puffy this morning, so I decided to apply this cream. What I like about the CC cream, it has full coverage and is SPF 50. All you need is a few drops to even out your skin tone. I'm going in with my beauty blender to evenly distribute the cream on my skin. I like dabbing my beauty blender because it avoids me getting any smear marks. And I'm gonna be dabbing it around my face, on my eyes. Take your time in this process to make sure the cream creates an even skin tone. I like using Hourglass translucent powder to prevent any crease marks appearing. I'm following up with some MAC Gimme Sun bronzer and using Sigma E38 brush on the crease of my eyes to give me some definition. I'd normally add shadow and eyeliner afterwards, but for this tutorial, I want to show you that you can really get great results with just a little bit of bronzer, especially if you're in a rush. Here I apply some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium sand. I use it to hide dark circles under my eyes and highlight the area too. I use it on the bridge of my nose to make it seem a bit slimmer, and it also helps the chin look a bit more defined. Okay, we're just over halfway here. I'll be applying some translucent powder again, but this time under my eyes to set the concealer in and prevent any creases from appearing. I'm using the same MAC bronzer with an F25 Sigma brush to add a bit of color. I like to apply it in a circular motion to blend in the bronzer. Otherwise, you might end up with harsh lines. Going in for the brows. Now I'm using Brow Wiz by Anastasia in soft brown. I prefer to brush my brows up to align the hairs and show me the areas where I have to fill in. And I like to just draw some thin hairlines instead of filling them in to give it a more natural feel, to give it that thick brow look. Here, I'm using Yves Saint Laurent mascara, my favorite. Don't forget to brush off the excess translucent powder. For blush, I'm using MAC and Gentle to add color to my cheeks. For this quick look, I chose MAC lipstick in Cosmo and MAC lip liner in Soar. The point of this look is quick and fresh, so this palette is subtle but not invisible. You'll notice none of the colors are overpowering, but they're very natural and makes me feel good even if I'm just lounging at home. To finish this quick makeup tutorial, I added highlighter for a luminous look, but it's totally optional and won't harm the final look. After I was done, I decided to go back and add some in the corners of my eyes to brighten them up a bit. And that's it, 11 minutes and 26 seconds, start to finish. It was really hard not to want to add a ton more products, but this tutorial was designed to help when you really don't have time and really need to be in some form of makeup, I guess. And whether you've woken up 12 minutes before your Zoom meeting or need to run for an appointment, I hope this helps you get ready in no time. If you liked this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and thank you for making it all the way till the end. Bye guys!